In this video, I'm going to show you how to send direct message on TikTok. Now, if you're new to this channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button. Once you've subscribed, please go ahead and leave a like on this video as well. Thank you guys. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open your TikTok. Then, before you send direct message to someone, please ensure that both of you are above the age of 16 years. For TikTok does not allow anyone to send a message if he's below 16 years of age. Then make sure that both of you are following each other. For if you send someone whom you do not follow, the message will not be sent. So ensure that you follow one another for you to send the direct message to the person. So in order for you to send the message to the person, you need to go to search for that person. Then you can go to the search and search for the name of that person or his or her username. So once you selected that person, open his profile. Then you need to tap on that button, that message button there. Just tap on it. Then you need to write a message. The message that you want to send that person, you need to write it there. Then send the message. So as you can see, the message has been sent. So that's it, guys. That's how you can simply send a direct message to someone on TikTok. So if you found value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.